wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best aging barrels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The American Oak Design 063 costs more than most other options in the category, but with good reason. It holds up to 5 liters of liquid. That means the capacity to age several fifths of liquor, whether it's whiskey, scotch or rum. It comes with helpful tips for curing and a spigot that secures properly. However, there are some wood splinters on it. At number 5, if you're a novice to aging your own spirits, the Deep South kit comes with 2 bottles of Highland Malt Scotch Whisky Essence and helpful instructions that will have you brewing in no time. All of its wood is sourced in the USA. It makes a great showpiece for a bar and is very easy to clean, but the hole at the top is too small. Coming in at number 4 on our list. This customizable barrel from my personal memories is the ideal gift for a groom, a gentleman's graduation, and for so many other occasions. It comes with a stand, a spigot and a bung, all of which help with easy aging and pouring of spirits. It features free customization and dries out quickly between uses. However, it eventually gets too brittle to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for aging barrels, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. This oak cask from North American Hoops makes a great gift and a fine decoration for your home or office. It's affordable yet well made, though it will require care and maintenance if it's to be used for actual storage of beverages. It comes with a varnished exterior in 3 different sizes. It infuses liquor with vanilla notes. At number 2, a Sophias Findings personalized looks handsome right out of the box thanks to its stylish black hoops and elegant finish. If you want to make it truly yours, they offer a wide array of customization options from simple texts to elaborate graphics. It seals perfectly with added wax and comes with detailed instructions. It's ideal for bourbon. And taking the top spot on our list. The Golden Oak is a handsome offering that comes with a confident claim. It's backed by a 365-day money-back no-leak guarantee, so you can entrust your most precious spirits, wines and other fermentable liquids to its interior. It's available in 5 finishes and requires minimal pre-soaking. It's made from American-sourced materials. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for aging barrels, or simply click beneath this video.